I'm sure many of you are familiar with the term brain rot from modern social media, but I think I have found a new subgenre, and I need to talk about it. I'm calling it man rot, and it is basically when your feed becomes nothing but guys being dudes doing stereotypical dude stuff, and I want to do all of it. I drove to UPS the other day. I had to drive past a Lowe's, and I saw riding lawnmowers, and I was like, let's get one. Let's put a big old engine in it. I live in an apartment. I don't have a lawn to mow. I have nowhere to put it. But in my head, I was like, they're on sale, $500. Let's put a motorcycle engine in it. Let's go race it. I don't know where. I don't know what I'd do with that. But it's rotting my brain. All I want to do is stupid man things. I want to buy 1,000,000 motorcycles. I don't have money for that. I want to build a 3D print farm. I have a closet. Someone help me out. Am I crazy? Am I the only one facing this? I don't understand.